The consultation up through the surgery, Dr. Shealy was always the one involved with the patient care. He answered all the questions. He kept reassuring if I had any questions, just to ask, and he would answer them.
The Shealy Eye Laser Center was the first in Indiana to offer an on-site scanning laser. In fact, we were also the first center in Indiana to offer multiple on-site scanning and broad beam lasers. Dr. Shealy's performed over 15,000 cases, and he's only one of 3 doctors in Indiana actually board certified in laser LASIK.
The number of operations or surgical procedures that a physician or surgeon does obviously is going to have an impact on the results. If you have 1 or 2 a month, you might not get the results that you get from 5 a day. That does not mean at all that he slights anyone. I firmly believe he takes very personal pleasure in seeing the actual results right on the spot, and I think that is really an asset.
Well, I was really impressed with Dr. Shealy. I mean, I think he really cares about his people. I think he's compassionate about his work.
I think something everyone can relate to is when they go into a doctor's office for anything, even for a simple checkup. Who do you always talk to first? You talk to a nurse, you talk to somebody else, and then the doctor comes in for about 2 seconds, takes your temperature, and leaves. One of the coolest things about this is that when you go in for a consultation, when I went in for my consultation, first person that walks in, Dr. Shealy. Hi, I'm Dr. Shealy. How are you? How's your day? How are your eyes? You know, we're going to fix you right up. We're going to make sure you see and you never have to use glasses or contacts again. And that gives you such, you know, you're confident now. You're like, wow, he's really excited about this. Then you start to get excited about it. So everybody's just almost bubbly because everything's going so well, and very warm and very receptive, and you're talking to the person who you know is going to be taking care of your eyes. You can trust this person, they're open with you, and I think that makes you feel very, very comfortable.
The reason why patients choose our center is through the recommendations of their friends and family members.
I was telling a friend of mine at work about it, and he told me about Shealy, told me it didn't cost anything to go in to see him to get your eyes checked out. So I came in here the next day right after he had told me that, and he checked me out, said that I would be able to do it.
My dad, my mom, and my sister all have come to Shealy.
My mom had the surgery, my tennis coach at Indiana Wesleyan, so we knew a lot of people, and everybody always had positive things to say about him.
I told my son and daughter that they really needed to have it and why, and they were also clients of Dr. Shealy.
My mom got it done a couple weeks after I did. She sees great now, and she tells everyone at work. I tell everyone at work. I'm on radio, so I tell everybody. People come up to me all the time and say, Sarah, how are your eyes? How did it go? Were you really nervous? I think everybody trusts somebody else who's already been through something. So I go through and I explain the process and just how great it feels now to know that I never have to deal with that ever again. No contacts, no glasses.
These procedures are affordable. They're worth the money, they're worth the investment. In fact, over a period of 2 or 3 years after having had surgery, a patient may even start to make money from not having to pay for glasses or contact lenses in the solutions.
I feel so strongly about this procedure after having it myself that I think all people should have it if they're candidates, and I will try to make it convenient and affordable for them. I perform surgery 4 to 5 days each week, and surgery and consultation on the same day. Many of our patients travel long distances for the procedure, and by doing surgery and consultation on the same day, they have to miss less work. We invite you to come to our center for a free consultation to witness live surgery. I do all my pre-op, operative, and post-op work, and am available to my patients 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I just wanted people to know about Dr. Shealy, and I had great success with the surgery. Very pleased with it, and I definitely recommend this to anyone.
If you have any doubts, just come and see the professional team at Shealy Eye Laser Center.
After checking around at several different doctors, I found out that Dr. Shealy is one of the founders of actually the eye LASIK surgery. So when I found out that this was the guy that made it work, I knew this is the man I wanted to go to.
Dr. Shealy made a promise to me when he first checked out my eyes. He said, we can do this. And he did. And it's a feeling you really just can't get over.
Your vision is important for work, for recreation, for everyday living. Imagine doing all the things you love to do without the nuisance of glasses or the discomfort of contact lenses. Take a closer look at LASIK with Dr. Thomas Shealy and the Shealy Eye Laser Center. Our staff are trained and knowledgeable professionals who care about your vision. Our facility is fully accredited and equipped with the most modern, up-to-date technology available. Dr. Shealy is committed to providing our patients with the very best care possible in order to achieve the best results. Call 486-0065 or 1-800-644-6393. The Shealy Eye Laser Center, where experience counts.